Hi, it's Ed Hill, Senior Consultant, Masters Roofing, Memphis, Tennessee. You might be wondering, why don't I appear on camera more often? Well, I don't want to scare the women and children. Sometimes people ask us, do you have any references? Man, have we got references. Look at that, pages and pages and pages. You've seen our vehicles all over town. That's my roofmobile there. You see my flyer. I'll zoom in on it a little bit. Is a little bit more about us. You can contact us. I'll tell you what. I've got a special going on right now. You see that blue sheet there, Validate Your Contractor? If you call me and we do a free roof inspection, or we give you a bid for roof replacement, I'll provide you with a free copy of Validate Your Contractor. Call me, Ed Hill, Masters Roofing, Memphis, Tennessee, 901-359-4165, and learn how to pick the right type of contractor for your roof replacement project. Thank you for watching.